Let's 1v1 some flour and see how smacked we get.
A few hits later.
Alright, y'all, what's up? It's Ali, and today we are here with Granddaddy Purp by Luci. Infused with diamonds and keef, 21% hard hit chance, which is just my way of saying THC percentage. Real quick, THC percentage is a number that tells you essentially how hard you could be hit by a flower, but only if it connects. That's because flowers with a higher terpene percentage are throwing more accurate punches, like trying to connect with you. While flower with high THC percentage and low terpene percentage are throwing wild, strong ass haymakers, hoping that it connects, not necessarily knowing for a fact that it will. Caryophyllene is the dominant terpene here at 0.36%. Linalool is the second with 0.30%. And limonene is the last terp in the top three at 0.27%. And a total terpene percentage of 2.1%. Luci describes this smell as fruity, reminiscent of like grapes and berries. But let me tell you the truth. Y'all ever get a mint from like the diner? Like one of those pastel mints? Those joints smell it smells just like that. Like it smells just like a diner mint. A grape diner mint, but a diner mint for sure. The taste on the dry pulls wasn't too strong. It was there a little bit. It gave a little bit of hints of what the smell was, but it wasn't anything that overwhelmed me. Honestly, I don't mind that because I'm not the one that likes my mouth to feel like it's a food truck festival and there's just all these things going on in there. Keep it simple. If it tastes a little bit and you giving me a little nose of what the smell feels like, or it's just, it's a little decent, I'm with you. But anything else, please keep it away from me. My body feels like somebody's trying to print a screen graphic on my chest. I feel like a t-shirt. Yeah, yo, it's really nice. My head is really hitting up top for real. I don't know, for a Granddaddy Purp, especially leading in caryophyllene, I'm expecting a little bit of a body. Well, a little bit more of a body, but it's not too heavy. I feel pressed, yeah, but not nothing too significant. It's really sitting up here. Like it is banging my forehead right now. Not in a way that's causing a headache, but it just feels like some pressure is there. Like somebody's trying to move a wall forward. Why am I sweating? I feel like I wasn't sweating before I started this. I'm confused. I'm not gonna lie though, I expected this to be a little bit stronger. Like I wanna be smacked off of this. Something that says it's infused with keef and liquid diamonds. I'm hoping for like something really heavy. A fight that's really, really heavy. And when I say fight and 1v1, I'm just talking about me smoking. I feel like there's a lot of confusion on TikTok. I feel like some people get it. I feel like most people get it. But for those who do not understand, whenever I say 1v1, it just means I'm smoking against something. Like we're smoking against this today. We're 1v1ing against Luci today. Or we're 1v1ing against Granddaddy Purp today. If I say that like I'm in a fight, it just means I'm currently smoking. Yo, my head is busting, dog. This joint is really sitting behind my eyebrows crazy. Like it's making my head tilt forward. Like I feel like I'm on the down of a roller coaster. I'm just like, it feels fucking wild. I don't know. I want to be like, I feel really good. Let's not get this twisted. With as high as caryophyllene and as high as linalool that's in here, I expect it to be on. I expect it to be doing this joint from right here. I don't know, where the caryophyllene and the linalool sit on the profile at above 0.3, they're both above the like strong point of their impact. So I'm expecting these to really, but I don't feel that. I do like this pairing of linalool and caryophyllene though. I'm not gonna lie to you, Luci, this is awesome. If you enjoy something that's gonna cuddle you and like hug you, This is good. This is good. It's not to the body at all. It's really all up here. The hug is really up top. but like it still feels good. Lucy, I'm not gonna lie though, this 21% hard hit chance is showing itself. If y'all could move this to like 26% and keep these terps where they at that like 2.1, get it to like 2.2, let me tell you something. I would be in love. I would be in love. Like y'all would have me by the face. Speaking of, my face low-key feels like it's melting. I'm sweating so much right now, and I can't tell if I'm hot, but I'm not. Like I wasn't hot before we started. Y'all are doing this to me. I'm blaming you. At a price point of 40 for 2.5 grams, it's a set of 5. I would do this again. This is a really enjoyable time. It's super calming. I know I'm a little up right now, but I feel like if I was sleepy or if I just got off of work, I feel like this will really put me in the best position. I feel like right now it's fighting against like the daytime energy, and it just kind of has me a little like, but overall it still feels really nice. All right, so smell, I say I give this a 7. Like I said earlier, it was nice, definitely like a minty, fruity berry type, but it wasn't as strong. Like it didn't capture my nose. I really had to dig my nose in there to get it, but it's still nice when you do smell it. Taste, I'm probably gonna go like a light 6 here, only because I just didn't get me. And it's unfortunate, but it is what it is. And honestly, as somebody that doesn't like a lot of taste anyway, I really don't mind it. So effects, let's go a light 8. I feel like this was really good. The only thing is, I wish I was smacked. Like if I was smacked right now, this would be perfect. But the fact that I'm not, and maybe I need to redo this when I'm like a little bit more tired. I'll probably get back into this tonight. I don't know. Right now, it's nice, but it's not what I would look for. Like I said, if we can, Lucy, listen to me, please, if y'all see this. If we can get this to 26%, please, you got a winner, okay? I promise you have a winner with it. For me, please, personally. For all the experienced fighters out here, if you try this, you're gonna know what I'm talking about the moment you get into it, because it's nice, but it's just I'm wanting something more. It's just leaving me wanting more. Overall, let's give this a strong 7. Let's do a strong 7 for this. I like this. I like the smell. It's just not as strong. I like the taste because it's light, and I don't like strong taste anyway. I like the effects. Like, I like everything. I don't think I love anything here, but I like everything. Lucy, this was awesome. Granddaddy Purp is a classic. I feel like we've been fighting this for forever. I'm vibing. I like a strong 7. If you've had it, let me know how you feel in the comment section. If you haven't had it, after seeing this, how do you feel? What's the vibes? Tell me, is this something that you think about trying? I know we probably all done had our little encounters with Granddaddy Purp. So let me know if you have a little crazy story with it. I don't really think I do. I lived in the era like Black Diamonds and OG Kush and like a lot of wedding cakes, a lot of cakey stuff, Girl Scout cookies back then. If you made it this far, make sure you like, subscribe, follow me everywhere at A Few Hits Later as we try to find the best flowers in New York. And we're gonna get into everything else. The edibles, dabs, tinctures, bombs. We doing everything. I'm gonna do everything with y'all. I one day the dream and the goal is to build my own dispensary. And I hope one day y'all all get to visit and I get to meet everybody. But for now, this is where we start the journey. I figured I can't build a dispo if I don't have a good menu. And the only way to get a good menu is to try everything. So we trying everything. But my name's Ali. Thank you for joining me. And I'll see y'all next time on A Few Hits Later.